Crude oil prices on the international market rose slightly today as investors await the outcome of the U.S. Federal Reserve's June meeting. Key economic data from China and government data on U.S. crude stockpiles. Brent crude futures were up 32% to sell at $74.61 per barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was up 22 cents to trade at $69.64 a barrel. Both benchmark climbed more than 3% on Tuesday on hopes of rising fuel demand after China's central bank lowered a short-term lending rate. Market participants expect the U.S. Central Bank's Federal Open Market Committee with pause rate hikes amid uncertainty in both the economic outlook and the laggard effect of 10 rate hikes since March 2022. Meanwhile, OPEC Plus has granted Russia a slightly higher oil production baseline, meaning Russia can now produce more under the latest quotas than previously agreed. Finally, let's tell you that Asian shares struggled for traction and the dollar was subdued as market focuses on the probability of less aggressive Federal Reserves at its policy meeting, which concludes today. The Fed is widely expected to hold off on rising rates after a softer U.S. inflation report, and investors' cautious mood is likely to extend to Europe when markets open. The pan-regional Europe stocks 50 features were down 0.2%. Both S&P 500 features and Nasdaq features were flat after U.S. stocks rallied to 14-month high overnight. MSCI broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan was last 0.2% lower after surging 1.1% in the prior session to the highest point in 2 months. Tokyo's Nikkei 225, however, continued to outperform, jumping 1.6% to a fresh 33-year high as investors cheer the return of inflation amid the accommodative policy stance from the Bank of Japan. And with that, to wrap on this midweek edition of Business Breakfast on iBrandTV. On behalf of the entire production team, I'm Blessed Omonos saying many thanks for watching. Let's do it again tomorrow morning, God willing. It's bye for now.